Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you reasons why I love Serbia and why I relocated to Serbia. Ćao svima, danas ja pričam zašto ja volim Serbiju. Yes, so guys, let's go. The reasons why I love Serbia is that one thing is about the food. The food here is very friendly, like most so if you come like from Africa. Serbia has foods that even if you've just come, you will quickly adopt and be like, this one I eat it, this one I eat it. Because some foreigners have problems in adapting to foods like, this I don't like it, this I this no. You know, it takes them time, more so in a foreign country. But with Serbia, I realized that foods here are so adaptive. Like Serbia has like salma, yeah, because salma is you cook, you get cabbage, rice, and the beef. Like you cook rice with beef, then after you get cabbage, like the leaves of cabbage, then you put them in. You put the rice and the beef mixed in the cabbage, then you fold it and then you boil it, and then it's really nice. They also have cevapi. Cevapi is like meat sausage with you get meat sausage, you put it in the bread. It's really nice. Then we have moussaka. Moussaka is like you get potatoes, Irish potatoes. You smash, not like smashing, like cutting them in a round form. You put on the first layer, then you fry the smashed beef with all those flavors, what. Then you pour the fried smashed beef on, as the second layer. You put it on the pan. Then you get the potatoes as the third layer. You put on top of the fried smashed beef, and then you get the cream. Then you pour on top. Then after you put in oven. That one is really super nice. I like it very much. Then they have burek. I love burek. Burek is how to call it? Burek is like wheat flour. It's got like kind of a layers, but inside they put like cheese or meat. It has the Irish potato, depends on what you want, but it's really nice. So with the foods here are really very adaptive. They are very nice. I adopted very fast. And then they are kind of so vegetarian. I was never vegetarian. I learned that. They eat so many green things, and they preserve so many of them, and very fresh. They have ways of preserving. They have another thing. They have rakia. Rakia here is like alcohol. It's very cheap. Like literally everybody can make rakia. Because Serbia is blessed. It has literally everyone at his home, his or her own home. They have apples everywhere, blueberries, you know. So I really love Serbia. Like everywhere you go, you can pluck apple and eat, you know. And another reason why I love Serbia is that there's no racism. This is one thing why I really love most about Serbia. No racism. People here are very friendly, are very helpful, very supportive. Like one time I was in a bus, and then a lady offered me to sit, for her to stand up, for me to sit. Do you want to sit? It's like, no, it's okay. But I mean, these people are really so very friendly. Like, I mean, they love black people. They really like to help you. One time I was stuck somewhere, and I think somebody noticed that this girl is stuck. So he came and was like, hey, are you stuck? Do you need any help? I was like, yes. I'm going to this place, but I've waited for bus for almost an hour and I can't see the bus. He was like, no, the bus stopped operating at this time, so you could probably need to catch the taxi or find a way to reach to where you have to go. But still, I couldn't even see the taxis. So He helped me to get me a car that helped me to reach where I had to go. So these people are really very, very nice, very kind. I really love Serbian people. Yeah, and another thing why I love Serbia is about the cost of living. The cost of living is very affordable. Like rent, the foods are very cheap, transport. With Serbia, you can reach any of your destination that you really want to. You can reach in any destination that you really want to with a bus or with a taxi. You can reach, like one thing I love about Serbian government is that like even if you're going on the top of the mountain, there is that bus, those people that stay there, there's that bus that reach there. So I really, that's one thing I love about it, because even if I'm going this place, I can still come back using the public transport. It's very cheap, very affordable, and people are very, like if you're lost, people can help you, and until when you reach. And another thing why I love Serbia is about the opportunities. Like me as a foreigner, I didn't know that it can be very easy for me as a foreigner to open up. Yeah, I didn't know me as a foreigner, I can have an opportunity to open up a company in Serbia. I thought it's very difficult, very complicated, but no. I mean, they are not so hard. They don't put that much hardship. Like, no, you can't do this. It's everything is. If you want to open up a company, it's okay. Do this and this. Toito. And the taxes in Serbia are very are not high. Like here we are taxed, but I don't feel the taxes. So that's one thing I also love about Serbia is it's like literally everything is very affordable. The bills, the what, yeah. And another thing why I love Serbia is that it is cheap. Yeah, it is cheap to travel. Serbia is cheap to travel for holidays, like because it is surrounded by countries like Slovenia, Croatia, Hungary, Romania, Montenegro, Bosnia. So like if you're planning to go for a trip for a holiday, it is pretty easy. You just drive and go, You don't have to get a plane ticket. If you want to anyway, you can, but it's very easy. Your holiday can be pretty cheap. Yeah, and another thing, it is about the job opportunities. There are many jobs. One time I went to buy something on a shop, and then the lady saw me and she was, hey, I have a job. I would like to offer you jobs. Like, oh my God. Jobs are there, and employers here really like to employ foreigners. Most of the black people like me. People can call you, hey, you. And then another thing is about the talent development. Like here, literally everywhere you go, you find their football pitch with people who want to sing, swimming. There are those groups, communities that support that. You can go and sing if you want to develop your talent, swimming, football, basketball, So that's one thing I also love about Serbia. And another thing is about the free resources, like public Wi-Fi. You find Wi-Fi in some spots, like they offer free Wi-Fi. Like in some spots you find free Wi-Fi, free public gym. Like you want to go to the gym, there's a public gym you can go to and work out. So that's some of the reasons why. And another thing is that people here greet. Like in the morning, dobro jutro, dobar dan, dobro veče. Like people greet, So I really learned. Yes, so guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao.